In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Outlook tasks. Whether you're planning a project or just tracking daily to-dos, this quick walkthrough will help you get set up and stay organized. Start by opening your browser and going to Microsoft.com. At the top of the page, select All Microsoft to see the list of apps and services. Choose Outlook to open the Outlook home. Next, click Sign In and access your account. Once you're in, everything we cover will sync across your devices so you can manage tasks anywhere. Inside Outlook, look to the left panel and click the To-Do icon. This opens your task experience where you'll see your lists and upcoming items. To create your first item, click Add a Task. Type a clear, concise name for your task, something action-oriented like email client update or prepare meeting slides. Then click Add to save it. If this task is important, click the star to mark it as important. This highlights it so it stands out in your views and helps you focus on priorities. When you've finished a task, click the circle next to it to mark it as complete. Completed tasks are checked off so you can see your progress at a glance. For more details, click the icon to open the right panel. This panel is the command center for each task. Within the task, you can add another step by clicking the plus icon. Breaking a task into smaller steps is great for clarity. Think draft, review, and send for a writing task. From this same panel, you also have the option to add the task to your day, add a reminder, set a due date, attach a file, write a note, and more. Adding to your day surfaces the task in your daily focus list. Reminders help you catch tasks at the right time, and due dates keep deadlines visible. Use files to store key documents with the task, and notes to capture context, links, or checklists you want to remember. If you no longer need an item, click the trash icon to delete the task. Be sure you're ready to remove it, as deleting helps keep your lists tidy, but also removes it from your workspace. That's it, simple and effective. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.